children, how are you? Look, today again I've come to talk to you again. So children, what we have learned last day in our last class about machine and few more advanced machine like computer, right? So today we are also going to learn about these advanced machine. Of course, about computer. I hope you all know me. I am your Arindam sir, and today we are going to learn about few more new things about computer. Right? So let's see this. So today, first we are going to learn about advantages. Who's definitely about computer. Why? Because we know computer is a smart machine. So let's see. First, main advantage is speed. We all know that whatever we are doing through machine, the main thing is speed. What we can do, maybe we are writing. Suppose we want to write a whole page, a single page. How long we need? But computer can write or within very short period of time. You may see the printout copies. Within few seconds, it can write a whole page. So from there we can imagine the speed of computer, how fast it is. Next one is number 2, accuracy. If we talk about our accuracy, I mean for humans and other animals, not good like computer, because there are a lot of things what computer can do. There we cannot find any kind of mistake. Suppose if we talk about any kind of mathematical problems, most of the time we may do silly mistakes in our maths. You can see that, you know this. But for computer, each and every time answer will comes in perfect way. So this is the second point, that is accuracy. The third point is ability to store a large number of information. Just look at this. It's vital. Why? Just imagine it. We all know our name. Even we know few things around us. Suppose if we talk about any kind of subject, it is inside our memory and we are memorizing it. After few days, if I ask you anything, something may be slipped from your mind. But if I ask same question to the computer, what happened on that day, on exact time, computer will mention that date and time and what happened. It can show us. It can tell all the things about past. I mean, what we will store inside it. From that information, anytime, any day, we can access it. We all know this is very tough for human to remember a lot of things for a long period of time. But for computer, this is very easy. Once we store any information inside computer, we can access it for a long period of time. And anytime we can get the accurate data, what we have stored inside the computer. That's the great thing and the great advantage of computer. Now look at the fourth point. What is it? Calculation. I told you, whatever we want to do, there we need some calculation. Suppose we want to jump, there also we need some calculation. Suppose we are walking on a way and there is some hole on our way. So what we will do? We will try to jump that, and whenever we will try to jump that hole, we need some calculation before it. So just like it, computer also do lot of calculation like humans. As you all know that computer has a brain, but that is man-made, artificial. So computer also can do lot of calculations, and those are also accurate, more than humans. Fifth point, automation. Automation means automatic working method, which is not possible, impossible we can say, for human beings. Why? Suppose we are driving a car. In modern technology, it is possible that if any time, if our driver fails to control that car, that time car itself control. So this was our fifth point, automation. Now, what are you doing? You're watching this video. How? There is a question mark. Yes, definitely through some smartphone or through tablets or some computer, right? So this is also a big advantage of computer. A teaching and learning process. This is called e-learning. That's mean electronics learning. What we are doing right now. I am teaching from this side. I am telling you these things, and you can access it at your home. So this is a great advantage. This is called teaching and learning, and in short you may say this is called e-learning or electronics learning. That is a great advantage of computer. Now take a quick look on few disadvantages of computer. Let's see the first one. Computer cannot think by its own. Yes. Last time I said in advantage, what I said, that computer can calculate. That means as per its memory, computer can think some, just like human, but that there is a limitation. Now look at the second point. Excessive use of computer is harmful to our health. Yes, if we use excessive. Suppose now you are watching videos. From here you can learn few things. But whenever the class will over, if you look at the screen continuously by using a lot of games and various things, that is not good. So don't look at the screen continuously. It may harm what? Our vision, our eye. And not only that, lot of problems may arise. So don't use excessive computer. Now look at the third point, security. Yes, there is a big question mark on security. Yes, computer is able to store a lot of information for a long period of time, that is fine, but in modern days, today, security is a big thing because there are a lot of electronics theft or rise. They can steal our information from our computer. So don't share each and every information of your computer. Mostly your password, login ID, these sensitive issues. Okay? Fourth one, e-waste. E means, yes, electronic waste. What are the electronic waste? It's not only about computer. There are a lot of electronic gadgets inside of us. And if any problem arises, most of us can throw this to the dustbin. So we have to be careful about these electronics waste because inside of these there are a lot of chemicals and those are all harmful for us. So we have to be careful and we have to remember these disadvantages of computer. So I hope you have learned all of these things regarding advantage and disadvantage of computer. Hope you are all aware about this, and all the study materials, all the things are provided earlier. Go through that, read all of this carefully, and if any doubt you may comment below. Okay? So see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, stay home and stay safe.